This is the maintenance video on the TSM811T Riveter. On the 811T Riveter, you have two basic moving parts. You have the rack and the ram that goes through the side. What you need to do is sometimes it binds on the gears, and instead of trying to force it down, what you need to do is remove the screw on the side and the washer, support it from the bottom, slide this piece out, and this lifts right off and out. And what you'll notice is there's gears. There may be burrs in there, so what you want to do is take a fine file and just lightly try and remove some of the burrs. You can do that on both pieces. Reassemble. Reassemble and try again. If it's still catching, the chances are you need to replace both pieces. I wouldn't do just one because it could be both work together, so I would replace both of these pieces. The next maintenance item that you should look at is the alignment. The easiest way that I have found to do that is take the rivet removal pin and put it in the horn, and then I would think you should have an adapter, 3PA, along with one of your eyelet installation tools. Screw that in. You need something with a point on both sides. Bring this down. And you see there is some misalignment there. There is no way you're ever going to be able to install a rivet or install an eyelet properly as long as there's misalignment like that. So both front and to the side, you want both points to meet. Now the easiest way for adjustment to get the 2 points to line up is take a 9/16 wrench, and there's 2 bolts on each side. Loosen these bolts off, and you'll see that this is able to move around. See how I can move it around? Now, lower this down until your 2 points line up, both front and to the side. When that has been achieved, retighten the bolts at the bottom. Now your alignment is straight up and down. The next thing that you do is, I've seen it numerous times, is the copper tool that mushrooms the end over, goes in the top. When you hit this at the top, make sure that it's only with a plastic hammer and not a steel, as a steel hammer will damage the rack or maybe even damage the body. The other thing to look at is that there's no play in the rack. If there is play in there, you might have to replace the whole riveter, as the bore inside the steel base could be damaged.